In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Windows Update install error code 0x80070002 on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on System. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Here you can find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. So click the Run button to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions that will give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. So simply follow what it suggests and what it recommends after running the troubleshooter or the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then, for the next method, go to the Windows search bar and type Notepad. Open that. And then once you open Notepad, I'm going to share this script in the description section of this video. Then simply click on File, go to Save As. Save this in the desktop. Then we need to save this as, let's say for example, fix.bat. You can put any file name but do not forget to put the extension .bat. Save as type, choose all files and click on Save. Then right click on it on the desktop, select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes and wait for the process to be done. So wait for the process to be done. This might take a while. Anyway, once this is done, right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.